find a quiet place free of distractions. Your mind will offer enough distractions of its own, so pick a place where no one will interrupt you. Sit comfortably in any position you desire. Upright is ideal. However, you can lay down if you want to. Just make sure your position is comfortable and will not distract you. Start by bringing your attention to your breathing. Notice the sensation of your breath entering and exiting your nose or mouth. Notice how it feels as the air brushes through. Is it cool? Does it tingle? Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as the air fills and then empties your lungs. Do not force or control your breathing. Simply allow it to be natural and continue to observe it. Watch your breathing for about 5 minutes. During this time, you'll find that your mind will wander off and think about all sorts of things, physical sensations, things you need to do. What happened yesterday? This is totally normal. When you notice your mind has wandered off, simply start noticing your breathing again. You may need to bring it back again and again, and this is wonderful because it means you are becoming mindful. The more you practice this, the less your mind will wander. Then, you'll notice you are better able to keep your focus at other times throughout the day as well. When you have finished your 5 minutes, you may notice an increased sense of calm. As you get used to this activity, you can increase the time sitting to 10, 15 or 20 minutes. What is most important is consistency. So regardless of how long you sit in this mindful state, do it every day. The most important point of developing a daily meditation practice is consistency. So 3 minutes every day is better than an hour once a week. My name is Ricky Pfeiffer from Ehwaz Academy, and this has been Simple Mindfulness Meditation.